Today I'm going to be making a seafood boil. I'm going to start off with red potatoes that I have cut and microwaved to soften up. Have some corn on the cob, some sausage, and lemon. We're going to take an oven roasting bag that you use to roast a turkey. We're going to put the potatoes in there. Then I'm going to add the corn. And then I'm going to add the sausages. After adding the sausages, I'm going to add the shrimp, which I did take the shell off of and clean it. Some people make it with the shell. I chose to take the shell off. So I'm going to add lemon pepper, paprika, creole seasoning, sazon complete, parsley, and Old Bay. I put in a stick of butter. Then I'm going to add my crab legs. Now that I have put everything in the bag, I'm going to close the bag up and I'm going to put it in the oven on 400 degrees for about an hour to an hour and a half. And I did add a half a cup of water to the bag to help steam it.